Lesson 20. Have to and must. 1. Have to for necessity and obligation. We use have to when something is necessary or when we are obliged to do it. Examples: I have to wear glasses for reading, or he has to work late. 2. Must and have to. What's the difference? We use must to express our own opinion, advice, or recommendation. We usually use have to for facts and obligations. We also use must in written rules and instructions. Examples: I must phone Sue. You must meet Mark. I have to work from 8:30 to 5:30 every day. Seat belts must be worn. 3. Questions, negatives and past forms with have to. We use do, does, did to make questions and negatives with have to. For the past we use had to. Examples: what do I have to do? She doesn't have to work Saturdays. Did you have to wait long? I have to leave early. 4. Mustn't versus don't have to. Mustn't means don't do it because it is prohibited. Don't have to means it's necessary, but you can do it if you want. Examples: you mustn't tell anyone, or you don't have to come with me. Please take the quiz below the video to support your knowledge, and don't forget to write in the comments how many answers you got right. Bye!